Shall we start? Kidsy anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, open up your eyes. Yes, open up your eyes, children. All of you open up your eyes except Siddharth. All of you open up your eyes except Siddharth. Is Siddharth there? Siddharth is there? Siddharth?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Only Siddharth is going to close his eyes. Okay? Don't open till I tell you, okay?
Yes, okay.
Okay, wait. Open your eyes, Siddharth.
ஓபன் பண்ணக்கூடாது க்ளோஸ் பண்ணு மேம் ஏதோ காமிக்கிறாங்க
Don't open your eyes, no cheating. Okay, Siddharth? Now open your eyes, children. Today is Siddharth's birthday. Okay? Shall we sing birthday song for Siddharth? Yes? Can we sing birthday song for Siddharth? Yes, all of you sing loudly in your places. Okay? Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Yes, all of you say happy birthday to Siddharth. Say happy birthday, Siddharth, everyone. Happy birthday, You liked it? You liked it, Siddharth? Yes or no? Yes, very good, children. All of them are wishing him. Thank you so much. Now mute yourself. Thank you. You're welcome, Siddharth. Mute all of you. Mute yourself. Come on. Quick. Be quick. Mute yourself. Yes, you're welcome, Siddharth. Yes, all of you mute yourself. Come on. Good children. Okay, now ready for the breathing exercise? I want you to stand up. Start the breathing exercise. Okay? Stand up, all of you. Yes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Okay? Very good. Now, all of you jump for 10 times. Mom is going to count. You are going to jump. Okay? Start jumping. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, children. Now jogging. Jogging. Yes, jog everyone. Jog in your place. Jog. Tarnika. Jogging, Tarnika. You are sitting. Satvika. Jogging. Yes, you can see ma'am jogging, right? All of you should jog. Yes, you're all very active kids, right? Jog. Okay, jogging. Hopping. Lift one leg and hop. Lift your leg up. Hop. Hop, children. Lift one leg and hop. Very good. Next, shall we start our yoga? What we have to do first? Lift up your hands up high. Yes. And then bend to your right. And then position. Then to your left. Janvi, lift your hands up high. Up like this. And then position. Very good. Now to your right. Come back to position. To your left. Come back to position. Yes. And our next one. Lie down on your bed and lift your body up. Okay? Lie down and do. Come on. Lie down. Yes. Everyone lie down. Lift your body up. Yeah. Yes. Lie down and do. Very good, Dikshan. Very good. Siddharth, good. Hashni, good. Ready? Yes. Very good, children. Very nice. Good. Very good, children, all of you. Okay, now stand up. Yes, stand up. Balance walk. What we'll do in balance walk, children? Balance walk, what we will do? Yes, did you all forget? You all forgot. Balance walk means what you have to do? You have to take your notebook and keep it in your head and take off your hands and you have to walk 5 steps. How many steps? 5 steps you have to walk. Come on, children. Take your book in your hand. Keep it on your head. Should not hold your book, children. Should not hold your book. Okay, no cheating. Yes, take off your hands and walk 5 steps. Yes, Satvika. Come on, Satvika. You can do it, Satvika. Do it. Come on. Good. Yes, do it. Everyone do it. Very good. Kavyani, do it. Zaidi. Good, Zaidi. Karthikeyan, you finished? Vivan? Finished, Vivan? Yes, you finished? You didn't finish.
No, you didn't even start. You just
Oh my
started.
God, Vivan. I thought you finished. Oh my God. Come on, everyone should do the activity. Have to get a balance, okay? If anything is on your head, see Devkrish how nicely he's doing. Wait, let me pin him. Wait. Yeah. Yes, walk Devkrish. Come on, Devkrish. Good. Good. Finished. Very good. Very good. Good. And who's this? Dikshan. Dikshan is cheating me. Dikshan, you're holding your book and walking. No more hiding. I saw you. Yeah, I saw you, cheater. Okay, next. Very good, children. Now, all of you drink some water and come back for the attendance activity along with your calendar. Okay? Come on, children. Fast, fast, fast. Drink water. Come back. Yeah. Finished, everyone? Finished drinking water? Yes. Very good. Come to your places. Ready, all of you? Okay. Danvin Sai.
I am
Danvin
Sai.
Sai. Very good, Danvin. Dev Krish.
My name is Devkrish. I am in KG.
Very good, Dev Krish. Dikshan. Dikshan.
Fine. I am doing KG.
Yes, Dikshan. Very good, Dikshan. Next is Farnaz. Farnaz. Farnaz is absent. Okay. Hashni.
My name is.
My name is Asanya, studying in junior KG.
Very good, Ashni. Janvi. Janavi.
I'm in Janvi. I'm studying in junior KG. I'm a physical.
Very good. Karthikeyan.
Yeah, I am Vadila, ma'am. My name is Karthikeyan. Studying in junior KG. 4 years old.
Very good, Karthikeyan. I love the way you say Karthikeyan. Very good. Kavyani. 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 Okay, I'm marking you, Kavyani. Naitik.
My name is I am studying in unit.
Okay, Naitik. Very good. Now, Kavyani. Answer me.
My name is Kavyani. I'm studying in junior KG.
Very good, Kavyani. Nukshita. Nukshita.
My name is Nuchita. I'm studying junior KG.
Very good, Nukshita. Pranita. Pranita.
Junior KG.
Well done, Pranita. Very good. Rohita. Rohita.
My name is
Rohita. Rohita. What happened, Rohita? Junior KG, again you wanted to play. Okay, play for some time. I'll be back, okay? Sai Nitesh. Nitesh.
My name is. My name is.
Oh my God.
I am.
Okay, I am studying in junior KG.
I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Sai Nitesh. High five.
I
High
think.
five, Sai Nitesh.
High
High
five.
five. Very good, very good. And next is Satvika Sri.
My name is Satyajit. I am in junior KG.
Very good, Satvika. So fast. Siddharth.
சொல்லு சொல்லு
My name is Siddharth. I'm studying in junior KG.
Very good, Siddharth.
Morning, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. I am studying junior KG.
Very good, Tarnika. Tilakar. 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 It's not joined. Okay. Vishank.
My name is Sank. I am studying in junior KG. I have a Ullakat.
Wow. Awesome, Vishank. Very good. Very nice. Vivan.
Hi everyone. I had junior KG. I jumped up bulldozer and digger and upper.
What's all this? What's all this? I don't know. Zaidi? Zaidi? Yeah, Zaidi.
Yes, ma'am.
My name is.
My name is JD.
Bolo.
My name is JD. I am studying in junior KG.
Wow, very good, Zaidi. Ritvik? Ritvik?
Okay.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. Okay.
Yes. Give him what he wants. Give him. Now you say, good boy. Ritvik is a good boy. Come on, tell me. My name is Ritvik.
My name is Leslie. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good. High five. High five. High five. Very good, Ritvik. You're a good boy. Okay, children, our attendance session is over. Now get ready for the calendar activity. Who is going to tell me the date today? Raise up your hand. Who is going to tell me the date today? Who is going to tell me? Raise your hand. Those who wants to tell me the date. Janvi. Okay, Janvi. Come on, tell me the date. What is the date today?
Sorry.
Yes, Janvi. Tell me what is the date today. Today's date is
20.
23. How should you say? 2, 3, 23. Yes, it is 2, 3, 23. And the day is Thursday. Okay, children, all of you, color the date 23. Okay, color the date 23. Come on. Ma'am is also coloring. And what is the month? Month is July. Okay. Date is 23. Day is Thursday. And month is July. Yes, finished everyone. Night take over. Tarnika, good. Karthikeyan, good. Rohita, good. Ashni, good. Sanitesh, did you color your calendar? Did you color the number in your calendar? 2, 3, 23.
Ma'am, I did not have it ready.
Okay, no problem. If you don't have, you can prepare it in A4 sheet. Like this.
Okay, I will do it, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good, children. All of you finished? Very good. Now keep it aside. Time for rhymes. Okay? Ready for the rhymes? Yes, all of you are ready? Yes. Okay, Hashni is there?
Reach in the
Hashni.
We wanna first go round and round.
Action.
Round and round.
Action cholo.
Round and round. On the wheels on the bus go round and round. All
All through the town. Next.
the way on the bus go fish, fish, fish. Fish, fish, fish.
Fish,
Fish, fish, fish.
fish, fish. The Bibles on the bus. Fish, fish, fish. All through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. Horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. All through the town. The baby in the bus says, the baby in the bus says, Mama in the bus says,
Mommy in the basket.
all through the town. Very good, Ashni. Very good. Okay, next. Who is going to sing? Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan.
Daddy finger, where are you?
What is your daddy finger? Show me.
Daddy finger, காட்டு இந்த daddy finger.
Big.
சொல்லு பாடு பாடு.
Where are you? Mommy finger.
Here I am.
Here I
Here I am. Here I am. Here I am. How do you do?
Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, here I am.
How do you do? Brother finger, brother finger.
Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do?
Finger, the finger.
Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do?
Very good, very good. Next, who is going to sing? Siddharth. Siddharth.
Rolly, down now.
Oh my God.
Rolly, down.
சரி ஓகே.
No one should say. Sing.
Rolly,
Right. Go issue. Roly poly. Right. Roly poly, left.
சொல்ல மாட்டே நீ சொல்லு. சொல்லு.
Rolly, down now.
Friend.
நான் சொல்றேன்.
அட சொல்லு நீதான்.
Rolly, back.
ரோலி
Rolly, back. Rolly,
அங்க
Fat.
ரோலி போலி.
Yeah. Roly poly, thin. Roly poly.
ஓகே.
Slowly. Roly poly. Very good, children. Okay, now all of you in your places itself, you are going to sing the phonic rhyme. Okay, first phonic rhyme. Ah, ah, antumayam, ah, ah, antumayam, ah, ah, antumayam, dia popping alarm. Ah, okay. Next is B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. All of you, you should know the action. B. Okay. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. What is the action for B, children? B. Okay. Next is C. What is the action for C, children? Show it to ma'am, everyone. Yes, we are clicking castanets. Ka. We are clicking castanets. Ka. All of you sing in your places. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Ka. Okay. Next is D. We are D. Okay. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with the da 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 da. See me play up on my drum. Next alphabet is E. Okay. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Crack the egg like this. Okay. And our next alphabet is F. Okay. My friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. Got a hold, the air came out. What is the action? All of you, please do the action. See, using these actions only, we will write our words in future, okay? So, action is very important, children. You have to know the action for each and every alphabet. A, B, K, D, E. Okay? All these actions are very important, children. You have to learn that, okay? And all of you, close your fingers. You're going to do rote counting now. Yes, close your fingers. Count in your places loudly, okay? Loudly, everyone will count. Are you all ready? Close your fingers, all of you. Show it in front of the camera like this. Yes, I want to see your fingers closed like this. No playing. I want to see your fingers. Janvi, come on. Yes, very good. Shall we start? Vishang, counting we are going to do, Vishang. Afterwards you'll cook, come on. Close your fingers. We are going to start, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next is 11 to 20, okay? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Next we are going to count from 21 to 30. Okay. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yes, we finished till 30. Okay, all these are after numbers. Okay. Today ma'am is going to teach you before numbers. Before numbers, we will not say like 1, 2, 3. We'll say it totally ulta, backwards. Okay. That we are going to see from 10 to 1. Okay. Again, close your fingers, all of you. Backward counting, before counting. Come on. Yes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, 0. Show me 0, all of you like this. Yes, one more time, shall we count? Yes? Close your fingers. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 0. Yes, very good, Pranita. Yes, now ma'am is going to show you after numbers and before numbers how we are going to do. Okay? All of you, look here, children. Don't look here and there. Okay, children. Can you see here? Can you see the screen, everyone? Can you see, children? Yes. After numbers is from 1 to 10. You can see the yellow arrow here. Yes? Are you able to see, children? Yellow arrow, you can see that arrow shows from 1 to 10 downwards, you can see. Yes, children? Now, before numbers, you have to go from 10 to 1. You can see here, children, the blue arrow, it goes from 10 to 1. So, the number becomes, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, you can see here after numbers are from 1 to 10 and before numbers are from 10 to 1. You can see here the yellow numbers you can see after numbers. All of you come on, say it loudly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now the blue color numbers you are going to say is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now, see here all of you, we are going to do the activity regarding this. Are you all ready for the activity? Yes, come on, take your onion and come, children. Bring your onion. Take your slate, bring your onion. Yes, now children, you are going to take the slate and you are going to arrange the onion according to its size. Okay, first you are going to arrange it from small to big. Okay, from small to big. See, this is the smaller one. So I'm going to fix it first. And then the next size. And then the next size. Sorry. Next one. According to size, you have to fix it. I think you can see, children, according to size from small to big. Yeah. See here. You have to arrange it in a slate, children. Parents, please don't help them. Yes. Kindly watch whether they are able to do it. We have to know how to sequence it, children. Okay. Should not get help from your parents, children. Do it on your own. Okay. Parents, please don't help them. They should know how to sequence from small to big and big to small. Please don't help them. Let them do it on their own. Let them think and do it on their own. Nicely observe the shapes. Observe the size. I think you can see. See here. Can you see? Yes. Everyone look here. See, ma'am has done from small one to the big one. See here. Small one. Then the last is the bigger one. Can you see, children? Yes, like this you have to do. Once you finish it, tell me. We are going to do the next one. Parents, please don't help them. I repeat it again and again. They have to think and do. They have to know how to sequence.
Miss, finish vanilla, ma'am.
Those who finished, see, there must be equal gap between the two sets, okay? Because we are going to keep the numbers behind that, below that, sorry. Now we are going to place number 1 in the smaller one. From 1 to 10.
1 to 10.
Yeah. Smaller one is 1 to 10 you are going to give. Okay, 10 is going to be the bigger circle, okay?
Yeah, the two.
Children, you are keeping it also. You say, no, Mama, I do it on my own. Okay? One to 10 after numbers. That is small to big. 1 is the smaller number and 10 is the bigger number. Okay? So like this, we are going to arrange. Can you see everyone? Can anybody tell me that you can see? Yes. Uma ma'am, can you see the slate, Uma ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Yes, children, like this, you have to arrange. Once you arrange, show it to ma'am, okay?
Finish vanilla, ma'am.
Just tilt your camera and show it to me. From 1 to 10 after numbers. From smaller number to bigger number. Very good. Next number, Rohita. Till 10 you have to keep. Okay?
What was I?
Very good. Very good, children. Tilt your camera and show me.
Ma'am, done
Do it on your own, Siddharth. Don't get your mama's help, okay? Do it on your own. Come on, do it. You can do it. Come on, do it. Rohita, very good. Very good, Rohita. From 1 to 10. Is it in reverse order, Rohita's mom?
Finish, ma'am. Finished, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Yeah, one by one I'll take. Yeah. Arrange the number from 1 to 10. Rohita, good. Nukshita, finish. Show me Nukshita.
Ma'am.
Very done, Nukshita. Very nice, Nukshita. Next. Rohita, very nice, Rohita. Good, Rohita. Very good. Okay, keep it like that. Don't disturb it, okay? Very good, Janavi. Very nice. Where is the number 10? 10 is not there.
It's very big.
No, ma'am, there is only
9 layers you got. You can arrange another one bit also, no problem. Because we are going to do 10 to 1. Yeah. Take another piece of onion and you just insert it in between them. Night. Others be in mode. I'm going to ask you. Everyone, please mute yourself. I'm going to call you one by one, children. Please mute yourself.
It's okay.
Show me what you have done. Okay, Naitik is doing okay. Kavyarni, finish. Yeah, show me Kavyarni. Yes, I can't see Kavyarni. Just tilt your camera down and show me. See Kavyarni. Just tilt your camera down and show me.
जितना
Okay, very good, Kavya. Very good. Good. But I think it is okay. Nightek, finish. Nightek. Very good, Nightek. Yeah. Yeah, Tarnika, I'm coming. Wait, Tarnika. Ready? Very good, Teddy. Kartikeyan. Kartikeyan. Tarnika. Tarnika, good. Very good. Tanvin. Kartikeyan, very good, Kartikeyan. I saw yours, okay? Tanvin. Very good, Tanvin. Next is Naitik, I finished. Rohita finished. Dev Krish. Very good, Dev Krish. Super, Dev Krish. Next is Dikshan. 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 See, what an idea, Dikshan. I myself didn't get this idea. Very good, Dikshan. Nice. Next is, I think it's Kavyani. Okay, nice. Ashni, very good, Ashni. Nukshita. Nukshita, I saw yours, right? Yeah, I saw yours. Very good.
Hi, Nitesh.
Ah, where is your pen? Where is it? Come on, show me. What happened, Satvika? You didn't do? Okay, she has done. Very good, Satvika. Yes. Siddharth. Finish, Siddharth.
Hey,
Siddharth. Very good. Very good, Siddharth. Next is Vishank. Did you do it on your own, Vishank? But you have done it upside down, Vishank. I told you small to big one. Small will be number 1 and the bigger one will be number 1, 0, 10. Okay? Just reverse the number, that's all. Yes, come on, Vishank. The smaller one is going to be number 1. Change the numbers now. Come on, change the number. No, Vishank. Oh my God, he's holding me. Vishank, I have to change the numbers only. Change the number. Just change the number, that's all, okay? Smaller one will be number 1. This is backward counting, okay? Change the number, that's all. Sai Nitesh, did you do it?
say yes, sir.
Very good, Sai Nitesh. You wrote numbers. Very good. Very good, Sai Nitesh. Good. Next, did I miss anyone, children? I saw all of yours, right? If I've missed out anyone, please tell me. I saw everyone's right. Vivan? Vivan? Did you finish, Vivan?
Got toppled, madam. Fell down.
Always rolling in the chair. What to do, Vivan? Huh? Okay, Vivan, I saw yours. Nice. Okay, children. Now we are going to do before counting. That is 10 to 1. Okay. Have to just reverse the number from 10 to 1. That is the bigger one to the smaller one. Just upside down we are going to do. Do it. Come on. In the place of 1, we are going to keep number 10. Okay. Just change the place and number. Big to small, okay? Bigger one to the smaller one. Yeah, ma'am is going to finish. 10, 9, 8, sorry, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. From 10 to 1, backward counting, before numbers. Yes, the bigger one will come to the top where you have kept number 1. It will come to the top in that place, children. Okay, you should not just turn your slate and show me. No cheating, children. Just you have to shift it 10 to 1's place, 9 to 2 number place, like that you have to shift it. Yes, very good. Someone has finished. I think you can see mine. Like this you have to do. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like that you have to do.
Vanilla ma'am, see Vanilla ma'am.
Very good, Rohita. Tarnika, very good, Tarnika. Very good. Fast. Very fast, Tarnika. Very good. Did you do it on your own, Tarnika? Yes, or your mama
Yes,
helped you. You did it on your own, right? Children, nobody should get help from your parents, okay? You should do it on your own. Even if it is wrong also, it's okay. We'll correct it, okay? But do it on your own. Okay, children? Next is Vivan. Vivan, very good, Vivan. I saw yours. Vivan, you did it by yourself? Vivan, did it by yourself? Yes, Vivan? Did Vivan did by himself?
His brother is helping, madam.
Vivan, one more time, then you have to do, Vivan. You have to do. Next, who finish? Kavyarni. Very good, Kavyarni. Good. Did you do it, Kavyarni? Did you do it on your own, Kavyarni? Yes? Okay. Well, it all fell down. Okay, it's okay. Hashni, good. I saw yours, but it's nice. Good. Hashni, correct. Very good, Hashni. Next, who has finished? Let me see. Naitik finish? Very good, Naitik. Rohita. Kartikeyan. Yes, very good, Kartikeyan. Very good. Next is Dev Krish. Yes. No, Dev Krish. You didn't change the number. Have to change the number also. The one will be number 10, 9, 8. Come on, all the numbers now. Now, ma'am is going to tell you how to do. Okay? Take off the numbers.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, take off your numbers, Dev Krish. Now we have to arrange. The bigger one will be numbered from 10 to 1. You have to arrange like that, backward. Dev Krish, look at ma'am, Dev Krish. Dev Krish. First, take out all the numbers. You have the bigger one, right? Near the bigger one, you are going to keep the number 10. 1, 0, 10.
Finish.
Next, you are going to keep number 9. The next, yeah, like that you have to do. Yes.
Finish.
Now, the one number will be the smaller one, okay?
Ma'am, Nuchita, finish.
Nukshita, finish. Yes, very good. Very good, Nukshita. Okay, what is the smaller one number? What number is that? Smaller number?
Which number? Tell me.
1. Very good. Bigger number?
Big number.
Is 10. Very good. Now you all know that, right? Bigger one is 10 and the smaller number is 1. Okay? Next, who finish? Danvin?
Finish.
Yeah, Danvin. Dev Krish, wait, Dev Krish, I'll come back. Danvin. Good, good, Danvin. No, I think, wait. Danvin, little bit close to the camera, Danvin. No, Danvin, you have to change. The bigger one will be number 10. just shift the shapes up. Bigger one up and the smaller one down. Okay, Dhanvin? Dhanvin? Take everything out. First, take the bigger circle and you number it as number 10. Okay, now do it. Come on. Do it again. Show me, okay? Bigger one to smaller one, okay? Have to change the onion and also the numbers, children. Don't only change the numbers, it's wrong. Okay? Dev Krish, now I am coming back. Now you understand, Dev Krish? What number is the smaller one? See there? Smaller one, what number? See there and tell me which is the smaller number. What number is that? Tell me the number. You have kept a number near that, right? What number is that? What number is that, Dev Krish? 1. Now the bigger one, what number? Now bigger one, what number? Bigger one, the bigger one, what number? Take it and show it to me.
Say the number. Say the number. Number.
Number, Mas. Say the number.
10.
1, 0, 10. You have to say like that, okay? 1, 0, 10. Very good, Dev Krish. Now you understand? Big to small and small to big? Yes, very good.
Yes,
Siddharth, finish. Jahnavi, finish. Siddharth. Are you doing it, Siddharth? Yeah, very good. Very good, Siddharth. Did you do it on your own? You did it on your own? Yes?
Yes.
Or are you lying to me? Huh? Did it on your own? Very good. Very good then. Very good, Siddharth. Next is Zadi. Did you do the activity, Zadi? Zadi? Where is Zadi? Next is Vishank. Vishank. Okay, you're doing Vishank. Do it. Sai Nitesh. Sai Nitesh. Doing it, Sai Nitesh. Finished? Yeah, show me. What you have done?
Mom, he is playing, ma'am, actually.
Okay, you do it afterwards and you send it in.
Started playing in the audience and playing with that.
Okay, no problem. Don't compel him to do, no problem. Next is Ritvik. Ritvik, did you finish, Ritvik? Where is Ritvik? Ritvik, where is your numbers, Ritvik? Where is it? Come on, show me. Yes, I can't see the numbers. Yes, good. Good, Ritvik. Next is, did I miss anyone? I saw everyone's right. Dikshan. Dikshan. Show me yours, Dikshan. I can't see Dikshan. You have to enable your video. I can't see you, Dikshan.
The video is enabled, ma'am.
Video is enabled, but I can't see. Okay. Okay. Good. Next is Zeddy, finish. Zeddy, are you doing Zeddy? 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 Very good. Next is Vishank. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, do it, Zeddy. Do it and show it to me. Vishank. Vishank, finish. Very good, Vishank. What number is the smaller one, Vishank? What number is the smaller one? See and tell me. What number is the smaller one? See and tell me. Smaller one. Bigger one? Bigger one?
Bigger one?
Bigger one, see there and tell me. Bigger one, what number? What number is that, Vishank? See and tell me. See the bigger one, what number it is there? See there. The bigger one. 1, 0, 10. Okay, very good, Vishank. Okay, children, I think you all have completed the activity. Yes, Danvin, did you arrange it back? Danvin?
Ma'am, sir.
Show me Danvin. Now it's correct. Okay? Now it's from big to small. Very good, Danvin. You corrected it. Very good. Now say which is the smaller number. See which is the smaller number in that smaller one. What number is that?
Ma'am, he's crying, ma'am. He's in mood out actually.
Why? Why are you moved out,
He
ma?
wants chocolate.
Chocolate.
Dad got a chocolate yesterday. He wants it now.
Danvin, see here, look at ma'am Danvin. If you eat lot of chocolates, no, Danvin.
Seri, aladha.
Okay, Danvin, look here. Okay, no problem, Danvin. Okay. Okay, mute yourself, Danvin. I'll come back, okay? Don't cry, Danvin. You're a good boy. Don't cry. Okay, children, keep your slate, onion aside. Next, we are going to do our worksheet, okay? Are you ready? Come on now. I'll show you which worksheet is that. We are going to do this worksheet, okay? Before that, ma'am is going to show you how to do this worksheet, okay?
Ma'am, working number, ma'am.
Worksheet number? Yeah, I'll tell you, Janavi. Wait. Yeah. Can you see here, children? This is the worksheet. Worksheet is JR Culmination CT. Okay, can you see the picture, children, in this? Hashni? Hashni? Are you there, Hashni?
Yes, ma'am.
Picture, Hashni? What
Yes,
these
ma'am.
children are doing? What these children are doing?
Yes.
Yes, what these children are doing?
Painting.
Yeah,
Painting.
painting, right? They are painting. Okay. What these children are doing? Nightek.
Building.
What these children are doing, Nightek?
Painting. Eating.
Yes.
Building. Building. Blocks. Playing.
Janvi, Kavyani, mute yourself. Tarnika, mute
Playing,
yourself.
ma'am.
Playing with what? Playing with what, Nightek?
Block.
Building blocks. Okay. Playing with building blocks. Okay. Tarnika, what this girl is doing, Tarnika? She is
Yes.
brushing teeth. Okay. Next is Devkrish. What this girl is doing?
Chalo, sir.
What this girl is doing?
Reading books.
Reading books. Did I circle reading books?
See?
Did you see the screen?
Sleep.
Sleeping. Very good. Nukshita. What these children are doing? What these children are doing, Ma? Reading books. Okay, they are reading books. Okay, children. Now, going to circle the activities that you do in school. Okay. So, will you do painting activity in the school, children? Yes or no? Yes. Right. So, you are going to circle the painting activity. Yeah, circle the painting activity. Okay. Next, will you play with building blocks in your school? Yes or no? Have you played with building blocks? Yes. Correct. You are going to circle. Then, children, will you brush your teeth in school? Will you brush your teeth in school? No, you should not circle. It's wrong.
Mommy,
Look at the screen and do. Kavyani, mute yourself. Kavyani, mute yourself. You will not brush your teeth in school. You will brush your teeth at home. Okay. And next thing, will you sleep in your school, children? Will you sleep in your school? Will anyone sleep in school? No. So, cross out. And then finally, will you read books in your school? Yes or no? Yes, we'll read storybooks, everything in school. Yes? So circle, painting activity, building block activity, reading activity. But you should not circle brushing and sleeping. Okay, children? Very good. Ma'am is going to come back. Okay, children, have you all finished your worksheet? Children, tomorrow, Friday, we are going to celebrate Green Day, Green Color Day. Okay, all of you are listening? We are going to celebrate Green Color Day. So what you have to do, children? All of you look at ma'am. All of you look at ma'am. Ma'am is here. Look at ma'am. What you have to do is you have to dress yourself in green color. Okay? And you have to choose any object and talk about it. 3 sentences about the object which you are choosing. It can be a fruit, it can be a vegetable, it can be a toy, whatever it is, it's okay. But it must be in green color. Okay, children, do you understand what ma'am is saying? Tomorrow, what color day we are going to celebrate? Tarnika, tomorrow, what color day we are going to celebrate?
Green color.
Yeah, how will you dress up? In what color will you dress up?
Green color.
Yeah, Nitek. You will talk about what color objects, Nitek?
Green color.
Yeah, you have to talk about green color objects. Bring any green color object and talk about it. How many sentences will you talk?
3 sentences.
How many sentences?
3 sentences.
3
3 sentences you will talk, okay? So children, I'm very excited to see what you're all going to talk tomorrow. So we'll meet you tomorrow with a big surprise, okay? Green color day, we are going to enjoy the day tomorrow. So be ready for that, okay? Now ma'am is signing off.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye. Yeah, bye. Bye, children. Any doubts? Bye.
Okay, guys.
Bye.
Bye, Satvika. Bye, Sanjay. Bye, Satvika. Bye, Sainita. Yes, Sanjay. Bye, Sainitesh. Bye. Bye. Is anybody talking? Any doubt? Nighty, sorry. Bye. Pranita, bye. What, Pranita? Tell me, Pranita. What, ma? Tomorrow is green color day. Okay, Pranita? Color yourself in green color.
Green color vegetable.
Very good, Pranita. Wonderful. Okay, bye, Pranita.
Green color.
Yeah, green color. Bye.